Ever wonder if it's really possible to get ripped without lifting weights? I've spent years experimenting with various home workout routines and compiling the most effective strategies for building muscle without weights. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how can I build muscle at home without weights. I went from this to this and gained around 30 pounds by just doing bodyweight exercises in simple and affordable diet plan. So what do you need? All you need is space because that's where you'll do your exercises. It could be your room, your backyard, or anywhere with enough space for you to do push-ups. And you also need a pull-up bar. You don't have to buy ones. You can find something to hang from like a tree branch or any sturdy wood where you think you can do pull-ups. But if you can't handle the pain in your hands from hanging on a tree branch, then it's time to invest in a pull-up bar. Sometimes you need to invest in yourself. First, let's talk about your workout plan or what you've been doing and when. We'll do a push, pull, leg split. Meaning on the first day, we focus on push muscles, the next day, pull muscles, and then leg muscles the day after that. Repeat this 6 times a week with 1 day of rest. Here's how we'll structure our workouts with your rest day at the end of the week. You can screenshot this if you want. On push day, we'll target chest, shoulders, and triceps. The workouts we'll do to target those muscles are decline push-up for your upper chest, regular push-up for your entire chest, and incline push-up for your lower chest. For triceps, we'll do a diamond push-ups and dips. And for shoulders, you can do pike push-ups. But before you do any push-ups, make sure you know the correct form because it's important for avoiding injuries. To do a push-up correctly, get into a plank position with your hands beside your lower chest. Then imagine pushing the ground away from you as you lower and raise yourself. Keep your back straight and avoid flaring your elbows. The same goes for declined and inclined push-ups. If you're not sure about your form, try recording yourself. If regular push-ups are too difficult, you can start with knee push-ups and aim for 4 sets to failure. Once knee push-ups become easy, move on to incline, decline, and regular push-ups for 3 to 4 sets to failure each. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between sets and 1 to 2 minutes between different push-up variations. On pull day, we'll focus on the back and biceps. The main exercise here are pull-ups and chin-ups. Again, form is crucial. For pull-ups, your palm should face away from you, and for chin-ups, your palm should face towards you. If pull-ups and chin-ups are too challenging, you can do jumping pull-ups and chin-ups instead. Another exercise to strengthen your back is the Australian pull-up. Aim for 3 to 5 reps and 3 sets with 1 to 2 minutes of rest between sets and exercise. And don't forget about your legs. Leg workouts at home without weights can still build muscle. My leg routine includes pistol squats, bodyweight Bulgarian split squats, archer squats, bodyweight squats, calf raises, and wall sits. Each exercise targets different muscles in your legs. Here's the reps and sets for our leg exercises. Screenshot this if you want. For abs, focus on hanging leg raises and toes to bar. If these are too difficult, start with hanging knee raises for 3 sets and as many reps as you can manage. Remember, diet is crucial for revealing your abs. Prioritize a healthy diet, whether you're aiming for a calorie deficit to lose weight or a calorie surplus to gain muscle. If you need help understanding calorie deficit or surplus, there are plenty of resources available online. Progressive overload is essential for bodyweight training. Continuously challenge yourself by increasing reps, sets, or adding more difficulty to your exercises. And don't forget the importance of rest. Take a rest day every Sunday to allow your muscles to recover and grow. Sleep is also crucial for muscle recovery, so aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Finally, Always warm up before your workouts to prevent injuries. Your body is your greatest asset. Train it, nourish it, and challenge it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and unleash the power of bodyweight training to transform your body and mind. The time to push yourself is now.